prepared for.
Hey, well, it's Thursday now, and so I was about to upload my video on my main channel because I upload a video on Thursdays, and then I uploaded it. It's only like 5 minutes left, and then that tab closes, like crashes. Only that tab. I have 3 tabs up, and all the other ones were cool, and then that one crashes, and I'm just like, I made the caption, like I made the description box all nice, and I was just like, oh yay, and then that happened, and now I'm just like, why?
The great big ass.
Hi guys, okay, so today I am at Gallery 37. Today is the day of the buffet, and I don't know for sure, like usual, how much video I will get for you guys. I would try to get as much as I can, not like last week because I got pretty much nothing. So I will try to get enough video for you guys, but you know, you miss some new stuff. Hope you have a nice day.
We were camping up in the Manistee National Forest, and I was laying on a hammock strung between 2 trees, looking up at the sky. And up in the sky, I saw this vision. And so I ran to the van and got my little tape recorder and wrote this song.
I suck at this.